Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings today. We're so excited to have you again. One of the Southeast foremost senator has sent his reply to the governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, over the disputed issue of Igbo presidency. Don't forget that Yahaya Bello had sent out a message that they also, that's the not Central, have not produced any president from inception, just like the Southeast, and for that reason, they should allow both of them, to showcase their political skills. And right now, Ome has educated him on the number of states that are in North Central and how many times North Central have ruled Nigeria. You're going to see the full details of it in a jiffy. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our video. A renowned former senator in Southeast has responded to statement made by Kogi State Governor about the issue of Igbo presidency, that it will be of great gain if presidency comes to the North Central. And in his statement, Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello says that the North Central, where he comes from, deserves to be considered for the presidency more than the Southeast. Governor Bello, while reacting to Hannes Ndibo comment that zoning the presidency to Southeast is a key ingredient for national unity, says unlike the Southeast, the North Central has never produced the president or vice president of the country. The senator, Dr. Victor Ume, did reply him, and in his reply, he says that it is very unfortunate that when we are talking about how to cement national unity and promote joint effort towards national development, some people still continue to talk as if they are operating from outside Nigeria. This issue of who produces the next president in 2023 is not something somebody can just wake up because of his personal wish, begins to be economical with the truth. Governor Yahaya Bello had said his zone has not produced president for Nigeria, and therefore they should be put side by side with the southeast of Nigeria for the consideration. I think he is putting the history in the reverse. He is not saying the truth. The rotation of presidency is an issue between the North and the South in the first instance, not geopolitical zone against another geopolitical zone. President Buhari from Katsina State is from the North, and agitation in Nigeria is that when the North serves 8 years, we rotate presidency to the South, and somebody from the South will serve for 8 years, and we rotate it to the North. When we've ensured that this is achieved, we begin to talk about rotation across the geopolitical zone. On this issue, he has failed, or he has fallen completely out of track by saying that rotation should be from northwest to the north central. Governor Yahaya Bello can't claim that at his age and his involvement in Nigerian politics that he is not aware that North Central has provided the president of Nigeria. North Central has 6 states: Niger, Plateau, Benue, Nasarawa, Kwara, Kogi. Ibrahim Baramasin Babangida is from Niger State and was the military president for 8 years. As a military president, he was a maximum ruler. Abdul Salam Abubakar is from Niger State and was the head of state. The father of them all is Yakubu Gawan, who is from Plateau State and presided over the affairs of Nigeria for 8 years and some months. That's from 1966 to 1978. When people are complaining about injustice, I don't like it when others play with it. Governor Bello is completely out of sequence and events in history of Nigeria, and that he is saying, and what he is saying, sorry, and what he is saying can't be compared with a zone that has not produced Nigerian president before. I mean, this is a proper lecture for Kogi State Governor. because I was shocked when I saw that right up from Kogi State Governor that the North Central have not produced president before. Thank you, Senator Victor Ome, for tutoring him, lecturing him on, the composition of North Central. Babangida has been on board. We all know this, that Babangida has been on board for as long as possible. Abdul Salam Abubakar, the same thing. Gawan, the same thing. So North Central do not have any business when it comes to, power, except if you want to talk about democracy. But if you talk about rulership, as it pertains to as it has to do with when Nigeria had independence till date, North Central has been ably represented. I mean, they have not been cheated for once because they have been given multiple opportunity to rule over the face of Nigeria. But when you talk about Southeast, from 1960 till now, they have never tasted presidency. And I feel at this point that they deserve to have a grip or a taste of presidency, being that they are not just ordinary people, but they are a major ethnic group in Nigeria. All right, let's look at what Nigerians have to say. This one say, teach the brat more knowledge and wisdom. I think he needs to be guided. Another person here says, God bless you, sir. A lot of people do not know much about their own history. Some people like Yahya Bello and Atiku Abubakar are just selfish irritants. Igbo presidency or Yoruba nation. Some persons just think they can sit in one dry land and be playing on the intelligence of Southerners. Another one here say, as a patriotic Nigerian, I wholeheartedly support that next president should come from the Southeast and should be of an Igbo person. My reason is for justice and equity, more so for the sake of peace in Nigeria after President Muhammadu Buhari. Remember, what is good for the goose is also good for the gander. I am from the north, although I am not a politician nor belong to any of the political party, but I am old enough to know and appreciate the importance of peace in this country. And I suggest that we should keep all sentiment in the cooler in year 2023 to pray God for leadership. This one says, Yahya Bello that has destroyed Kogi with misrule should forget about presidency. I pity Kogi people. See who won't rule Nigeria. Some other person say, I'm surprised. This one here says, Senator Ume Victor, you are a man indeed. You are a born leader. It is now you know who is who. History has a place for you. When we shall write our history, your name shall be written in gold. Another person says here, thank you, Senator. You make your point straight and direct and with example. And this is what I was waiting to hear. Another person here says, it is unfortunate that Bello, who has been spending Kogi resources to organize northern illiterate masses to drum support for his presidential ambition, he should he should carry his head in shame. I don't know what this person is writing. Another person says here, Oga, you have time to reply someone who was just fortunate to become governor. He should have used this opportunity to write his name in gold, but choose not to. Another person says, thank you, sir. You are one in a million. We know that the people of Biafra are very intelligent. This other person here says, Ume, forgive him. He thought he was talking about Ohanes Ndibo, president of Ohanes. This is very funny. This person said that actually, this person, the governor of Kogi State, was actually thinking that all of this talk we are talking is about the president of Ohanes Ndibo. So possibly he wanted to apply for it. We'd like to leave it there. Go to